What is the full form of DNA? A. Deoxyribose nucleic acid. B. Deoxyribonucleic acid. C. Double nucleic acid. D. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Answer. B. Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, which carries genetic instructions for the growth, development, and reproduction of organisms. Who was the Viceroy of India during the partition of Bengal in 1905? A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Ripon. C. Lord Wellesley. D. Lord Mountbatten. Answer. A. Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon, the then Viceroy of India, implemented the partition of Bengal in 1905 to divide the region along communal lines. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area? A. Lake Victoria. B. Lake Superior. C. Lake Baikal. D. Lake Tanganyika. Answer. B. Lake Superior. Lake Superior, located in North America, is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area. What is the national animal of India? A. Lion. B. Elephant. C. Tiger. D. Peacock. Answer. C. Tiger. The Bengal tiger is the national animal of India, symbolizing strength, power, and grace. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sucheta Kripalani. D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Answer. A. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu became the first woman governor of an Indian state, Uttar Pradesh, in 1947. Which gas is commonly used in fire extinguishers? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Helium. Answer. B. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is used in fire extinguishers as it displaces oxygen, extinguishing the fire. Which Indian state is known as the Land of Five Rivers? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Rajasthan. Answer. A. Punjab. Punjab is called the Land of Five Rivers due to the rivers Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, and Jhelum. What is the study of plants called? A. Zoology. B. Botany. C. Ecology. D. Entomology. Answer. B. Botany. Botany is the branch of biology that deals with the study of plants. Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? A. Jaipur. B. Jodhpur. C. Udaipur. D. Ajmer. Answer. A. Jaipur. Jaipur is called the Pink City due to the distinct pink color of its buildings, symbolizing hospitality. Who was the first president of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Sardar Patel. Answer. C. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad served as the first president of India from 1950 to 1962. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? A. 90 degrees Celsius. B. 100 degrees Celsius. C. 120 degrees Celsius. D. 80 degrees Celsius. Answer. B. 100 degrees Celsius. At sea level, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit due to atmospheric pressure. In which year did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occur? A. 1917. B. 1919. C. 1920. D. 1921. Answer. B. 1919. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred on April 13, 1919, in Amritsar, under General Dyer's orders. Which organ in the human body is responsible for filtering blood? A. Liver. B. Lungs. C. Kidneys. D. Heart. Answer. C. Kidneys. The kidneys filter blood, removing waste and excess fluids, which are excreted as urine. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Yangtze. D. Mississippi. Answer. B. Nile. The Nile River, with a length of about 6,650 kilometers, is considered the longest river in the world. The Battle of Haldighati was fought between Akbar and whom? A. Maharana Pratap. B. Rana Sanga. C. Shivaji. D. Rani Durgavati. Answer. A. Maharana Pratap. The Battle of Haldighati, 1576, was fought between Akbar's forces, led by Man Singh, and Maharana Pratap of Mewar. What is the atomic number of carbon? A. 6, B. 12, C. 14, D. 8. Answer: A. 6. Carbon has an atomic number of 6, representing its 6 protons in the nucleus. Who is the author of the book, India Wins Freedom? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Abul Kalam Azad, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Sardar Patel. Answer: B. Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad wrote India Wins Freedom, narrating his perspective on India's independence movement. What is the SI unit of power? A. Watt, B. Joule, C. Ampere, D. Newton. Answer: A. Watt. The SI unit of power is the watt, W, representing the rate of energy transfer. Which Indian state has the largest area? A. Maharashtra, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer: B. Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India by area, covering approximately 342,239 square kilometers. What is the pH value of pure water? A. 5, B. 7, C. 8, D. 10. Answer: B. 7. Pure water is neutral and has a pH value of 7 at standard temperature and pressure. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Vikram Sarabhai, B. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam, C. Homi Bhabha, D. Satish Dhawan. Answer: B. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam. Dr. A. P. J. Abdul Kalam is called the Missile Man of India for his contributions to India's missile technology. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? A. Thermometer, B. Barometer, C. Sphygmomanometer, D. Hygrometer. Answer: C. Sphygmomanometer. A sphygmomanometer measures blood pressure by recording systolic and diastolic pressures. Which city is called the Silicon Valley of India? A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Pune, D. Chennai. Answer: B. Bengaluru. Bengaluru is referred to as the Silicon Valley of India due to its role as a hub for IT companies. What is the name of India's first satellite? A. INSAT-1A, B. Aryabhat, C. Bhaskara, D. Rohini. Answer: B. Aryabhat. Aryabhat, launched in 1975, was India's first satellite named after the ancient mathematician and astronomer. In which year was the Quit India movement launched? A. 1930, B. 1942, C. 1947, D. 1919. Answer: B. 1942. The Quit India movement, demanding an end to British rule, was launched on August 8, 1942.